Welcome back to Fun English Duo. I'm Thomas.
And I'm Sarah. Hello, hello.
So, Sarah, big question. Do you like your job?
Most days, yes, but sometimes I just want to sleep.
Don't we all? Well, today's topic is perfect. We're going to talk about your job in English.
Nice. So we'll learn how to say what job you do, what you like, what you don't like, all in simple English.
Exactly. This one's going to be super useful. You can use these sentences at work, in an interview, or when you're meeting new people.
And if your job is watching Netflix, we'll help you say that too.
Right. Let's start. Sarah, when someone asks, what do you do? What do you say?
I say, I'm a content creator.
Perfect. That's the basic structure. I'm a plus your job.
Like, I'm a teacher, I'm a driver, I'm a student. Easy.
Exactly. Or you can say, I work as a teacher. I work as an engineer.
You can also say, I work in when you want to talk about your field.
I work in construction. I work in IT. I work in hospital.
Or, I work in chaos. That's me on Mondays.
I believe that. But remember, everyone, use small, simple sentences.
Yes, don't try to sound complicated. Just be clear.
Okay, after your job title, the next question is usually, what do you do at work?
Oh, yeah. Like, what's your job about?
Right, and here we use action words. I manage, I help, I plan, I teach, I drive, I cook.
Those are all daily actions.
For example, I help customers, I teach English, I drive a taxi, I cook food in a restaurant.
I make videos and edit them. That's mine.
Nice and simple. You can also say, I'm responsible for, if you want to sound more formal.
I'm responsible for making reports.
Perfect. That's workplace English. Polite and professional.
I'm responsible for drinking tea every 2 hours.
Not a bad responsibility. Now, when we talk about where we work, we can use in, on, or from.
Ooh, the prepositions. My favorite.
Yeah. Like I work in an office. I work on a construction site. I work from home.
Easy to remember. In, inside. On, outside. From, home.
Exactly. So, Sarah, where do you work?
Mostly from home, sometimes in cafes.
You like Wi-Fi and coffee too much.
Hey, good Wi-Fi in my office.
True. So I work in a planning department. We plan and track construction projects.
Wow, so your job is full of numbers and schedules.
Yes, exactly. I make reports, check timelines, and coordinate with engineers.
So basically, you tell everyone when to work.
Kind of, yes. The schedule boss. Now let's talk about our daily work routines.
Ooh, like what time we start and finish.
Exactly. You can say, I start work at 9 a.m. I finish at 6 p.m. I work from Monday to Friday.
Or I work on weekends.
Yes, or I sometimes work overtime.
Or I work the whole time.
Don't scare our viewers.
Sorry, but it's true for some people.
You can also say, I have meetings every day, or I talk to clients in the morning.
Example, I check emails after lunch. I make videos in the evening. Perfect.
Short, clear sentences. Use present simple tense.
Nice. Easy to practice. Just start each line with I.
Now, what do you like about your job, Sarah?
I like creating things. It feels good to make something new.
Nice. You could say, I like helping people, or I enjoy meeting new people.
Or I like working with my team. Or I like learning new things.
Exactly. And for dislikes, say, I don't like, or I find it difficult to.
I find it difficult to wake up early. Look, I'm not short.
That's true for many.
Or I don't like lung meetings.
Yeah, but remember to stay polite. If you say this in an interview, be soft. Say, sometimes it's hard to, instead of I hate.
So, no, I hate my boss.
Oh, no, never. Say, my boss is very detail oriented.
The polite translation for strict. Got it.
You can also describe your workplace. For example, my office is big. My team is nice. It's a busy place.
Or, my company is small but friendly. The people are helpful.
These small adjectives make your English sound more natural.
Yeah, and everyone can relate to that.
Exactly. Okay, let's make it real. Imagine we're meeting for the first time.
Ooh, role play time.
Hi, I'm Thomas. Nice to meet you. What do you do?
Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm a content creator. I make English learning videos. What about you?
I'm a planning engineer. I manage project schedules and reports.
Wow, sounds important.
It keeps me busy. What do you like most about your job?
I like teaching people in a fun way. What about you?
I like seeing projects finish successfully. It's satisfying.
That's great.
See, friends, that's a simple, real conversation.
Totally. You can use it anytime.
Now, let's practice together. Repeat after us. I'm a job. I work in. I start at. I like.
Nice. Keep it simple and confident.
And one quick grammar tip. Use present simple tense when talking about your regular work.
Like I work, I help, I make, I go.
Not I am working. That's for right now. Say I work every day, not I am working every day.
Small detail, big difference.
You know, Sarah, I think people should feel proud when they talk about their job.
Absolutely. Every job is important.
Exactly. Whether you're a teacher, driver, cleaner, doctor, designer, you're contributing something valuable.
And when you say it with confidence, even simple English sounds strong.
Yes, don't worry about fancy words. Focus on speaking clearly and smiling.
And maybe drink coffee before meetings.
Always helps. Okay, before we wrap up, quick challenge.
Ooh, I love challenges.
All right, let's wrap up. Today we learned how to talk about your job in simple English, how to say what you do, where you work, your daily routine, and what you like.
And we did it with short, easy sentences. No stress, just fun learning.
Exactly. Practice these lines until they feel natural.
You'll be surprised how confident you sound when someone asks, "What do you do?"
So friends, if you liked today's episode, press like, subscribe, and share, and tell us what's your job. Do you love it, hate it, or just survive it?
Be honest but polite.
See you next time. Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep working on your English.
This is Fun English Duo.
Bye, everyone.